go to DApp Section. 2. Click on Search, then go to launchpad.kommunitas.net, and please make sure you are on Polygon Network. 3. You can also choose which RPC is working the best at the moment in the network setting. 4. Scroll down, then click on Active. 5. Scroll down again and choose the project that you wish to participate on. 6. Read through the details of the project, including token type, last staking period that will be taken into calculation. 7. You can see the status of the project at the right corner of the project's card, its registration period, preparation period, Booster 1, Booster 2, or FCFS. 8. In the preparation period, users are encouraged to prepare the USDC Polygon. User can know his allocation by clicking on the Connect Wallet button below the project's card. 9. Please note that if there are some unsold token from Booster 1, those token will be allocated to Booster 2, and user who is eligible to purchase in Booster 1 can still purchase in Booster 2. 10. Make sure to always choose high gas fee to speed up your transaction. 11. You need to read and agree to Kommunitas Launchpad terms and conditions before you can make any purchase. 12. Enter the amount of USDC Polygon that you wish to swap or participate. 13. Public round is at FCFS basis, where unsold tokens from Booster 1 and Booster 2 will be allocated here. There will be minimum and maximum purchase in token. And please note that one address can now participate more than once in FCFS until max buy is reached. And only those who have staked KOM before the staking date will be eligible to purchase in FCFS. 14. After each booster, the total tokens sold on the round will be shown. While in each round, we can check the total tokens sold by the progress bar,